Nestled in Wisconsin, Wisconsin Dells is a popular Midwestern getaway. Nicknamed the water park capital of the world, it's famous for its thrilling water slides, lazy rivers, and exciting water-based attractions. But there's more to Dells than just getting soaked. Hey, viewers, welcome to our channel, Travels Highlights. Today we are going to explore 10 must-visit spots in this magical wonderland. From jaw-dropping attractions to serene escapes, we've got it all lined up for you. So grab your travel buddy, put on your explorer hat, and let's embark on a thrilling journey through the enchanting world of Wisconsin Dells. So let's get started, starting with number 10. Number 10. Dells Army Ducks. Imagine this, you're riding on a World War II-era amphibious vehicle, the Dells Army Duck, with the wind in your hair and a grin on your face. These unique vehicles take you on a journey through rugged terrain and then seamlessly transition into the water, giving you the best of both worlds. The tour guides are not only knowledgeable but also hilariously entertaining, sharing fun facts and quirky anecdotes about the area. You'll traverse scenic trails, plunge into the Wisconsin River, and splash around Lake Delton. It's like being part of a fun-filled history lesson combined with an adventurous joyride. Number 9. Timbavati Wildlife Park. Step into Timbavati Wildlife Park, and you're entering a world teeming with diverse wildlife. It's not just about observing animals from a distance, here, you can interact with them. Hand-feed giraffes, walk through the parakeet encounter, and get a selfie with a kangaroo. The park is designed to provide close encounters that create lasting memories. Educational presentations and animal shows add an informative touch, making it a perfect spot for family outings. The little ones will be thrilled with the petting zoo, where they can cuddle goats and lambs, while the older kids and adults can marvel at the big cats and exotic creatures. Number 8. Wisconsin Deer Park. If you're looking for a serene and magical experience, Wisconsin Deer Park is the place to be. Picture this, a peaceful forest setting where deer roam freely, and you can walk among them. It's a haven for deer enthusiasts and anyone who loves wildlife. The deer are incredibly friendly and will eat right out of your hand, creating a wonderful bonding moment. This park is over 40 acres of pure tranquility, where you can also spot other animals like bison and elk. It's an educational and relaxing outing, especially perfect for families and nature lovers who appreciate a more laid-back adventure. Number 7. Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum. Ready to be amazed and slightly bewildered? Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum is a treasure trove of the weird and wonderful. This museum showcases an eclectic collection of oddities from around the globe. You'll find shrunken heads, bizarre artifacts, and mind-bending optical illusions that will leave you questioning reality. Every corner of the museum is packed with curiosities that tell fascinating stories. Whether it's a two-headed calf or a vampire-killing kit, there's something to intrigue and entertain every visitor. It's a must-visit for those who love the strange and unusual, offering a unique experience that's both fun and educational. Number 6. Tommy Bartlett Exploratory. Imagine stepping into a world where science and fun collide, and that's exactly what you get at Tommy Bartlett Exploratory. This interactive science center is a playground for curious minds of all ages. With over 175 hands-on exhibits, you can engage in activities that make learning an absolute blast. Want to experience zero gravity? Check out the astronaut-like training equipment. Fascinated by robotics? There are exhibits where you can control robots and learn about their mechanics. The Exploratory also features optical illusions, where you can challenge your perception and marvel at how your brain interprets what your eyes see. It's not just about seeing, it's about doing, making it an ideal spot for families looking to ignite their kids' passion for science and technology. Number 5. Empty Olympus Water and Theme Park. Picture this, a massive park where you can switch between splashing in water and riding thrilling coasters without skipping a beat. That's what Empty Olympus Water and Theme Park offers. It's a two-in-one paradise with something for everyone. The water park features a range of attractions from the lazy river for those who want to relax, to the Poseidon's Rage wave pool that generates waves up to 9 feet tall. The water slides vary from gentle slopes to heart-pounding drops. On the theme park side, you have roller coasters that twist, turn, and flip you in every possible direction. The Hades 360, for instance, is known for its 360-degree roll and steep drops. For the little ones, there are kid-friendly rides that ensure no one misses out on the fun. It's a place where you can get your adrenaline fix and cool off all in one day. Number 4. Noah's Ark Water Park. Dubbed the largest water park in the United States, Noah's Ark Water Park is a sprawling oasis of aquatic fun. Imagine having more than 70 acres of water-based attractions at your disposal. The park boasts over 50 water slides catering to every thrill level. The Black Anaconda, one of the world's longest water coasters, combines the speed of a roller coaster with the wet and wild fun of a water slide. For those who enjoy a more relaxed pace, there's the Adventure River, where you can float leisurely on a tube and soak up the sun. The wave pools create ocean-like waves perfect for body surfing or just riding the swells. Families can enjoy the multi-level play areas with slides, water cannons, and splash zones. It's a perfect spot to beat the summer heat while making a splash with friends and family. Number 3. Wizard Quest. Step into the enchanting realm of Wizard Quest, where fantasy meets reality in a captivating adventure game. Imagine yourself as a character in a magical story, exploring 4 distinct realms: earth, air, fire, and water. Your mission: to solve puzzles, find hidden objects, and complete quests that challenge your wits and ignite your imagination. It's like being in a live-action video game or an escape room but with a fantastical twist. The environment is richly detailed, with secret passages, interactive elements, and immersive scenery that make you feel like you've stepped into another world. Perfect for families, groups of friends, or solo adventurers, Wizard Quest offers a unique blend of fun and mental stimulation that's hard to find elsewhere. Every turn brings a new challenge, and every solved riddle brings you closer to unlocking the secrets of this magical land. Number 2. Mirror Lake State Park. Nestled in the heart of nature, Mirror Lake State Park is a tranquil retreat that showcases the natural beauty of Wisconsin. Picture yourself kayaking on the glassy waters of Mirror Lake, surrounded by towering pine trees and rugged cliffs. The lake's calm surface perfectly reflects the lush surroundings, creating a stunning mirror-like effect that's nothing short of mesmerizing. For hiking enthusiasts, the park offers miles of scenic trails that wind through forests and along the shoreline, offering breathtaking views and the chance to spot local wildlife. There are also cozy picnic spots where you can relax and enjoy a meal with loved ones amidst the serene landscape. Camping facilities range from rustic sites to more developed campgrounds, making it a perfect destination for a weekend getaway. Whether you're paddling, hiking, or simply soaking in the natural splendor, Mirror Lake State Park provides a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Number 1. Downtown Wisconsin Dells. At the top of our list is the bustling hub of downtown Wisconsin Dells, the heart and soul of this vibrant city. Imagine strolling down lively streets filled with an eclectic mix of shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. The downtown area is a blend of charming historic buildings and modern attractions, offering something for everyone. You can spend your day browsing unique boutiques, sampling local delicacies, and enjoying street performances. Foodies will love the diverse dining options, from classic American diners to international cuisine. For a sweet treat, don't miss out on the delicious fudge and ice cream parlors. When the sun sets, the area comes alive with nightlife, featuring everything from cozy pubs to energetic dance clubs. Families will find plenty of fun activities too, like arcades, mini-golf, and live shows. Downtown Wisconsin Dells is not just a place to visit, it's an experience that captures the essence of this dynamic and welcoming community. There you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Wisconsin Dells in 2024. Each of these attractions offers a distinct and unforgettable experience, making Wisconsin Dells a top destination for 2024. Whether you're splashing through the water on an army duck, getting up close with wildlife, enjoying the serenity of deer, or exploring the bazaar at Ripley's, there's something here for everyone.